Hey guys, you've been given an equation and you're being told to graph a circle, right? Okay, good news about this one is it is already in standard form, okay? If you're looking at a problem and you're like, mine does not look like that and I'm still being asked to graph a circle, I'll link a video for you in the corner, okay? All right, but this one is in standard form for us. This is kind of like, think when you were graphing lines, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. You liked to get it in that form because it was super easy to graph the line, okay? This is the circle version of that, okay? When our equation is in this form, the center and the radius are laid out for us right there, okay? So to graph this, all I need to know is my center and my radius, okay? So here we go, center and radius, okay? My center is going to be an ordered pair, right? And it is HK, which is these numbers, right? You will notice here that we have negatives here and then they are positive, okay? So what that tells me is whatever sign is here, I'm going to flip it for the ordered pair, okay? So I've got a +5 and a -5. So my ordered pair is going to be -5 because I'm changing this one's sign, +5 because I'm changing that one's sign, okay? That is my center when we graph this on a coordinate plane, okay? Now my radius is r, okay? So 9 isn't r, but 9 is r squared, my radius squared, okay? So to figure out what my radius is, I know r squared is 9, right? To get rid of that squared, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, okay? And I end up with r equals the square root of 9 is 3. Now, a lot of times we do plus or minus 3, but since a radius is a distance, we don't need to worry about the negative, okay? So it's just going to be 3. So my radius is that 3, okay? See how nice that is when we are in standard form. All right, now here is my coordinate plane, and we are going to graph this. So my center is -5, 5. So I'm going to count over to -5 and then go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the center of my circle, okay? Now, I know that from this point, my radius goes from the center to the edge of the circle all the way around, right? So 3 in every direction. Now, the easiest thing for us to do is to go up, down, right, and left, all 3, right? So I'm going to go from my center, up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 3, down 3, and left 3, okay? Now, that is giving me a pretty good idea of what my circle looks like. Now, just like when you're graphing a line, you don't have to graph every point on the line, right? We typically do 2 points and then draw our line. So usually with circles, 4 is enough to give us a general idea of what this circle looks like, right? Now, my circle's not going to be perfect, but it's going to look something like that, right? Okay, so we went from this equation in standard form, found our center and our radius, and got a graph of it. Okay, hopefully this made sense. If you need some more circle videos, you've got different things that they're giving you, I will link a playlist for you. But hopefully this made sense. Thanks. Bye.